You done yet?
Thanks for distracting me through that. That was really helpful.
I thought I was checking.
You know what's funny? I got a great metaphor for this whole climate change thing. It's when you prepare for years for something and then it doesn't happen. Kind of like your colonoscopy this morning. You prepared for all night,
up, didn't you?
Yeah, you prepared for it and then you showed up and they canceled it. That's what America's going through. We're getting it in the butt and now it's canceled.
You know something? That's a very personal thing. I was up all night long in the toilet and they canceled the thing on the table.
So now you know how America feels under President Obama's environmental programs.
Listen, let me just put it this way. You know that half of Miami is going to be underwater in the next 20 years?
Where's your evidence for that?
I got plenty of evidence.
You have no evidence, just like the president.
Same place, exactly. Bob gets his numbers from the same place.
You guys really think there's no global warming, right?
Everybody admits.
Hold on. Within the first 5 minutes of that speech today, he he spoke two things that have been completely debunked. Number one, 97% of scientists acknowledge. Really, didn't we go through this time and time again that scientists do not acknowledge that the globe is warming at the rate that they're saying? In fact, here it is. New York Times talks about the plateau in temperatures over the last 15 years. New York Times, not exactly, kind of a friend of Obama's, admitting that the temperatures have plateaued. And also saying that in recent years, 12 of the last 15 years are the highest on record. Stop it. This has been debunked.
You tell the polar bears that are floating around.
I don't know where he's getting
come on.
But Bob, you can't keep repeating the same cliches.
Do you remember because they debunked those claims so that the warmers said, it's not global warming anymore, it's climate change because temperatures are actually falling? Obama didn't seem to get that message.
I'd like to hear what these two have to say about it because you guys are lost. Go ahead.
Well, the thing about what Bob is doing is reflecting what the president does, which is by echoing the same kind of generic assumptions that we have bought for how many years that are untrue. And when faced with facts, all you do is go flat earther, polar bears.
I didn't say it today.
Yeah, that's because I beat you to it.